In this lecture, let us learn how we can create points in 3D space. Let us go to Construct, Point at Vertex. This is a very simple option. You just need to select the vertex and at that place the point is created. Next is a point through two edges. At intersecting edges, point is created. Now I am selecting three planes. The plane should be intersecting, and at the intersection point I will be able to create this point. Now let us delete the existing points and see this option once again. So I'm going to construct point through three planes. This time I am selecting these three planes, and if you can see, I have got this point where these three planes will intersect when extended. Next is a point at center. This is again a very simple tool. I just need to select the sphere or circle, and at its center a point is created. Then we have point at edge and plane. So if I select a plane and an edge, at their intersection point, my point is created. Let us see how we can construct different kinds of axes. I am going to construct axis through cylinder, cone or torus. So here I need to select the face and I am going to get the axis passing through the center of that face. So here let us see this option once again. Because it's a circular face, I've got the axis in between. Now let us see axis perpendicular at point. I have to select or click on any point randomly, and I am going to get an axis which is perpendicular to this plane on which I have clicked. Next is axis through two planes. So for this I have to select two planes and I am going to get an axis passing through these two planes. Next is axis through two points. So here I am selecting this vertex and this vertex as my points, and I am going to get this axis passing through these 2 points. Next is a very simple option, axis through edge. Here I only need to select the edge and I am going to get the axis passing through that edge. Next I have axis perpendicular to face at point. Now I have to select a face and then a point somewhere which needn't actually lie on the face. And I'm going to get the axis which is passing through that point as well as perpendicular to the face that I have selected.